A good floor starts before the screed hits the ground. Cemtop Screed is a high-performance, single-component flooring mortar. Only potable water is required. It is used in conjunction with Nitoprime 330 with a thickness range of 3 to 40 millimeters. Before you start, note that this product is process-driven. Exact instructions matter. Changing water, mixing time, or preparation will affect the performance and finish. The substrate must be structurally sound, clean and free of oil, grease, curing compounds and paint. New concrete must be a minimum of 14 days old. Remove latents by scabbling or shot blasting, then vacuum thoroughly. No compressed air, no dust. Priming is not optional as it seals the substrate, prevents air release and reduces pinholes and surface defects. Mix Nitoprime 330 at 1 part primer to 4 parts clean water. Apply by brush or broom and allow to become tacky and damp dry. Do not let it dry out fully. Once it loses its tack, it has lost its effectiveness. Extremely porous surfaces may need 2 coats. This is where most issues occur, so follow these instructions exactly. Each 20 kilogram bag requires 2.6 to 2.8 liters of clean, cool water. Pour water into the vessel first, then add powder slowly. Mix with a heavy-duty mixer and spiral paddle for a full 3 to 4 minutes until smooth and lump-free. Do not add extra water. Do not retemper. Do not mix by hand. Place the screed onto the primed surface and tamp to the required thickness. Work in areas of 2 to 3 square meters at a time. Screed in 2 directions, second pass at 90 degrees. Do not overwork. Every extra pass pulls moisture to the surface and weakens the finish. Finish within 15 minutes. Mohair roller for a rough finish, sponge trowel for smooth. Clean tools every 30 minutes. Correctly applied Cemtop Screed shows a dense, uniform surface, consistent color, no pinholes or latents, good surface hardness. Common causes of failure: too much water, poor priming, inconsistent mixing, overworking during finishing. Bad results include dusting or a weak surface, pinholes and air bubbles, color inconsistency, reduced durability. For thicknesses over 40 millimeters, apply in layers. Scratch key the intermediate layer. Allow for a minimum of 7 hours to set. Reprime before the next layer. Protect the screed immediately after placement, using a curing compound or plastic sheeting. Foot traffic is allowed after 16 hours. Vehicle traffic is allowed after 24 hours. Full performance achieved after 28 days. Do not apply below 5 degrees or above 30, not in hot or windy conditions. And remember, Cemtop Screed is not structural, and always follow TDS and SDS. Prepare properly, mix precisely, apply with care. That is how Cemtop Screed performs.